So hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to refill your rinse aid. This sunshine symbol, this one, it turns red when it's empty, and when I turn on mine it's red. So I will show you how to refill it. The dispenser for rinse aid is always behind the door next to the detergent dispenser, so there it is. It even has the same symbol like on the outside, on the outer part. Now it's showing this one, so it looks the same like the symbol outside the door of the dishwasher. So you need the rinse aid. This is a German brand. Clash Puller is a German word for rinse aid, and you just have to refill it here inside. Open it, and then pour the liquid inside until it's full. When it's full, nothing is going inside anymore. Then you know it's time to stop. And then you have to take care that you wipe everything out when you're done, because this rinse aid is not meant to go directly into your dishwasher, because it's meant to do its work at the end during the washing program. And when it's spilling in your machine, it can cause a lot of buildup that we still have to get rid of. So make sure to wipe it when you have some spillage. So now it's full. I will just close it, and then I will wipe the rest. So another thing I would like to say is the role of rinse aid in your machine. It helps to break surface tension of water, that the water can break easily and not cause streaks on your glasses, so that it will help that your dishes are drying better. So it's a good thing to use when you like that your dishes are well dried. So for those who need a video about salt, make sure to check my other videos. I did a video about salt. And the salt dispenser is just here inside. It's in a different place than the rinse aid. So in case you need to refill your salt as well, make sure to check the other video. The symbol for salt is S, and the symbol for rinse aid is the sun. And both turn red when it's empty. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to check my other videos. Bye bye. Have a nice time.